Okay, welcome to week 2 of our Back to Basics School of Life Lesson. So this week we are focusing on the shuffle. Okay, following the spreadsheet that we have in front, the focus is really on the country cha-cha, which is I define as the 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, the first line. Okay, this is really very commonly used, and this is what we're going to be discussing. But somewhere along the line there, based on time, we should be able to touch on the ballroom cha-cha at the bottom. I push it down because there's so many variations that we will talk about in between. So when I just briefly, in my Back to Basics, I'm going to raise it later on. This is, as I said, basic, easy country cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, triple step. In the ballroom world, I'm not talking about ballroom music, okay? When I say ballroom music, when I say slow, we can still use this. But when I say in the ballroom cha-cha world, it's counted as 1, 2, 3, the syncopation is here. 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1. It's always borrowing from the next set. That's why I said we may have to define that later if we have time. Just to show you the difference. Last year, we did some discussion in your spreadsheet. Some of the dances that uses it, like Islands of the Stream, there's a second one there, and I made one called Midnight Espresso. Okay, so there are some. What is the second dance? Regresa, yes. Those are the two famous ballroom line dance that we've been using at the bottom. Okay, Island of the Stream and Regresa. And then I made one 3 years ago called Midnight Espresso. Again, that's what I said. If there's time, we will talk about it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is for the shuffle head. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. That is going to be the differentiation between country cha-cha and ballroom cha-cha or shuffle. But we're not going to do that now. So the focus is in this one. Now, I just want to also emphasize this is the second now series of our ballroom, country cha-cha. Last year, the 102, we were all focused on showing you, and you will do this, that all 4 sets of 8 are using this. Okay, and we've done it already in my previous classes where I already showed, for example, on your list, Bristol, which is straight 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but all 4. But then I said in the process of analyzing all of this, if you use that non-stop, ballroom or slow music, it's okay. But once you start doing country, the real fast country rhythm, it gets tiring on our feet because there's so much triple step. That's why at some point, people now, like me, I add something in between. Or it could be between 1 and 2, or between 3 and 4. Anything to break the choreography, give you a break. Most of the dances that you see now coming out, we always have a break. Either the 2 or the 3 or the 4. Okay, so we're going to do that again later too. So that's how in the current world, they're giving the dancers some chance to relax their feet. Okay, now, focus on the basic way. If we do this straight, as long as the music is slow, no problem. It's relaxing. And as long as you do it, as I said, it could be mirror set or non-mirror set. In our case, I told you that most of the dances I choreograph now as a mirror set, so that the brain, again, the objective is not just having fun, okay? Of course we want to have fun, but we're trying to create memory muscles, and so far, in my experience, if you do a mirror set, you're creating a balance, either in your head, thinking what's going to go to my right, can be done on my left, or the body goes home balance also. Because in the past, I told you, there are dances that go home, it's like, I'm tired, because there's too much shifting on the right or the left body weight. That's why you have to create a balance for young people like us. basically what we're going to discuss now, okay? Back to basic, focus on 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. This is what I call sound off as the cha-cha-cha, not the cha-cha dance, but the rhythm. Triple step, triple step. Depending on the choreography, it will always be alternating. It could be, when I say start on the right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Or if the choreography starts on the left, it becomes left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Always alternating. That's how you analyze it. Okay? I'm going to turn my introduction, go to the actual class or workshop.